What is Google Analytics? Google Analytics is the most comprehensive website analytics tool on the market. It provides you with useful insights on your website visitors. What data can you track with Google Analytics? Traffic source. You can identify how your visitors found your website. Location. You can identify the geographical location of your website's visitors. Content. You can find your website's most popular pages, products, and blog posts. And finally, e-commerce. You can identify the shopping behavior of your customers. Why is Google Analytics important? Google Analytics is important because it gives you the data you need to grow. Where to find your Google Analytics tracking code? Click Admin on the bottom left of your dashboard, like so. And on here you'll see a load of different settings and buttons, but you just want to go to the middle section and then go to Tracking Info just here. And then once you're there, click on Tracking Code, and then here you can retrieve your tracking code. So this is my tracking code, and you'll have yours in this exact same place. So that is how you find your Google Analytics tracking code. How to connect your Google Analytics account to your Weebly website. To connect your Google Analytics account to your Weebly website, just go to the editor of your Weebly website, and then from here at the top, click on Settings. And then from there, you want to go to the SEO tab, and then where it says Footer Code, you want to paste in your Google Analytics tracking code. And then you just want to click Save on the bottom right. How to connect your Google Analytics account to your WordPress website. To connect your Google Analytics account to a WordPress website, just go to the plugins page, go to Add Plugins, and then search for Monster Insights. From there, you just want to install this plugin here, which is called Google Analytics Dashboard Plugin for WordPress by Monster Insights, and then click Install Now. And once it has finished installing, click Activate. And then you'll have these settings pop up. You want to tick the one which is right for you. So I'm going to leave it on Business Website, and then click Save and Continue. After that, you want to click on the button that says Connect Monster Insights, and then select your website from the drop-down list. So select it and then click Complete Connection, and it will finalize. And then we have some recommended settings. This is all done for you, so you don't need to change any of this. So then just click Save and Continue. And then after that, you have some add-ons, just ignore those. Save and continue again, and skip this step. Finish, setup, and exit wizard. That is all you need to do. Now, if I go to the dashboard of my website, you can see on the right just here, we have this tab which says Monster Insights, and it has all of our website information from Google Analytics. So we have successfully connected our Google Analytics account to our WordPress website. And finally, how to connect your Google Analytics account to MarketGoo. To connect your website's Google Analytics account to your MarketGoo account, simply go to your dashboard and then scroll down and click on the Connect Google Analytics Now button. Log into your account and then your website will appear. Just simply select your website and then click Connect, and that's it, you're done. It's as easy as that. And now your Google Analytics account is connected to your MarketGoo account. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.